How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. Just want to make a new Mashua harvest video, and it's mid-January now and the plants still haven't fully retreated back into the ground, so the tubers could probably get bigger yet, but we're going to harvest one of our Mashua plants today now, and here it is. That's the plant itself, and it's a climber, so it's a tuberous nasturtium from the Andes, Peru I believe it is. And so the tubers are edible, so are the leaves and the flowers. I'll show you guys a picture of the flowers. So they're a lovely type of flower, nearly the same as a nasturtium. It's in the same family, so I heard, and they have very similar leaves as well. Now, because we're doing no dig gardening here, so it's all just mulch, and it's lasagna style mulch gardening. And we just basically layered cardboard and compost and wood chips, like so, on top as a mulch. We don't actually need gardening tools to dig up any of the tubers, so what we can do is we can just use our bare hands or with gloves on, and we can, the soil is very malleable, so you can just move the mulch out of the way. We've had to mulch these a little bit extra because there was a harsh frost a few days ago, and yeah, look at that. That's grown from one plant, and I'll show you guys one of the tubers that it was grown from, and it can take over about an area of about 1 or 2 square meters, but if you have it going up trees, it won't take up any extra space in your garden. So I'll try and pull that up as good as I can. See that we're already into the compost layer here, so we don't want to mix the compost and the wood chips too much because it's not necessary. And we'll see how many tubers we get from one plant. Already looking very promising. Wow, an amazing harvest. Hey, take a look at that. That is some serious amount of tubers from the one plant. This is a type of Mashua called Blanca is the name of it. That's the most popular one anyway. Also it's got a lovely flavour. You can eat them. You can believe you can eat them raw. I would look that up first. I think you can, and you can also roast them or make soup from them and everything. So as far as I know, they have no inulin in them, but still are very low in calories. So take a look at how many there is in it. There's a whole bunch of smaller ones there, and what we'll do is we'll just take a look and see if there's a few more down here. As you can see, they don't really go very deep into the ground, so they're easy to manage anyway. Now, take a look at that. What I'll do is I'll just collect these now, and we'll see how many we'll get out of it. So all of this came from a single tuber, only about that size, a medium-sized tuber, and as you can see, it's well worth growing in your garden, and it didn't take any maintenance whatsoever other than just planting it out from a pot, or even just put a tuber directly into the ground. That's all there is to it for now. If you can't find Mashua or Oka or other types of ancient tubers that are hard to get and very rare, you can go to our website, and we do sell some of them there in our online shop, and it's just gardensforlife.ie, and we'd be very happy to answer any questions you have. And thanks for watching, and thanks for following us and subscribing. Thanks. Bye bye.